Welcome to Technology Tips by Tom. My name is Tom Lee, and today we're going to talk about Google Apps for Education, basically using a YouTube channel. Every faculty, staff, and students has access to Google Apps for Education, and everybody now has their own YouTube channel. So we're going to talk about why is that important and how could you use your own YouTube channel in working with your students. First of all, you will have the ability to create a playlist of your favorite videos. I know in a lot of your classes you are referring students to videos on YouTube that relate to your subject area. Some of you are even putting those right in Blackboard. Well, because you now have your own YouTube channel, you'll be able to create your own playlist of videos related to particular courses. And we'll go over and show you how you can create folders and add videos so that you could actually embed your playlist channel right into Blackboard or email to your students. You also have the ability now to upload your own video files. If you are someone that does create your own videos either using an iPad, using a camera, or if you use PowerPoint to export videos, which you can do now, you now have a place to upload those so that they will be actually streaming videos, not just a file you download. For example, if you put video files into your Blackboard content area, they don't actually stream, they just download and play. So they look much better if you do it on YouTube. Also, the fact that you can now track number of views. So whenever somebody watches your videos, you'll know how many people are viewing them, and you'll have the ability to either make your videos public for the whole world to view or unlisted so that only people who have the link to the videos will be able to view them. And then these videos can be embedded right into Blackboard so that you can track the specific usage by your students in your Blackboard course. And then finally, you now have the ability in YouTube to broadcast live. As long as you have a webcam, a microphone, you'll be able to use Google Hangouts to broadcast a course live, to broadcast a presentation live, and be able to invite your students to participate in that Google Hangouts. And we'll do a demonstration of that. So let's get started. To access your Google Apps for Education, you must log into your VCCS account, your MyTCC account. So I'll go ahead and do that. All right, so once you're into MyTCC, you're going to go to your Gmail, which is your Google Mail account with the VCCS. Many people aren't aware that you do have, in addition to your TCC email address, you also have a Google email through your Google Apps for Education. So once you're in your Gmail account, you will go to the top next to your name. There's 9 little squares. You put the mouse over it and you see the word Apps. You click on that, and this is where you can access all your various Google apps. We talked before in the previous technology tips about a Google Drive. You click on More, and then one of the options is YouTube. YouTube is part of the Google Apps for Education. I'll make that bigger. And then you'll click on the word Sign In, and because you're already in your Google Apps, it recognizes you and will log you in using your MyTCC account. The first time you log in, it will probably ask you a few questions about yourself and your age. Go ahead and answer those. But once you're in, this is what it looks like. You do have your own channel. My channel's already been created. You'll be able to use either any image for yourself, any kind of art, and so on. But one of the things about the channel is you will be able to create playlists. So for example, if you were teaching a course, say in English literature, and you wanted to create a channel playlist called Shakespeare, which I have done, you'll be able to insert any videos that you've looked at that you think would be useful for your students. And as you can see, there are 4 videos already here, and that basically you can share this list, embed it right into Blackboard, so they click on it, they come to this page, they can play all the videos or just any particular video. Now, if you want to add more videos, you simply click on Add Video, and then you can do a search. So I'll just do a general search for Shakespeare. But if you've already got some videos you've already looked at, you can go specifically to that search. And let's just say there's a video here, Shakespeare, The Hidden Truth. You've watched it, you think it's going to be another great video to share with your students. You select it, and then that 5th video gets added to the playlist. So you'll be able to create a playlist by that, or you can add further playlists by creating other folders and adding more videos into it. But as I mentioned, you do have videos that you can upload, and I'm going to show you how when you upload a video, you can actually see how many people have watched it. So here's a video that I created a few weeks ago, my first technology tip, and you can see that I have 25 people so far have watched that particular video. So it does kind of give you some good statistics, and in each video you can make so that it's public shared or shared just with people within your particular group. So when you want to upload new videos, you go to the top right where it says Upload. And here you have the choice of actually selecting files from your computer. You could actually create a video right from a webcam. You can do your Google Hangouts, which we'll talk about in a minute, or upload. So I click the word Upload. And then I go to my computer and I find something that I want to upload. So here's one, an MP4 file that I created a few weeks ago. I say Open. You can give it a name, so this would be called Tips on Using Google Drive. I could give it a short description if I wanted to. And then I would add keywords, so Google Drive would be a keyword. I could insert my name here, so if I ever wanted to search it later by my name, I could type in my name. I could type in Tidewater Community College. And then over here you could decide if you want to share it with the public, which means anybody who has can type in a keyword, your name, they can get to it. You can make it unlisted, or you can make it private, which is only shared with certain people. But I usually make mine public. And you can see it's already uploaded and now it's processing. I can add it to any playlist I would like to add to. And then as soon as I say publish, it will become live on the web. And as soon as it finishes processing, it's ready to go. Under advanced settings, you can actually give it a category. You can pick the date it was recorded. You can decide if people can embed it or not. You can do things like, can they make comments? I can allow comments or not allow comments. They can actually rate your video. So a lot of things you can do. I'm not going to publish it because I've already got it online. So let me go back then to upload. I'm going to leave that page. And as I mentioned, when you upload videos, one of the choices is called Google Hangouts on Air. I will do a future technology tip on that, but by clicking on this, you will have the ability to invite other students, other users, to do a live broadcast where you see them, they see you, you hear each other, and then you can share your screen with them so that if you need to do a PowerPoint presentation, take them to a website, you can do a class just like you're doing it in a classroom, or you can do like an online office hours kind of a thing so that you can work with students individually. So that's the ability to use YouTube, and that's why you'd want to use YouTube. There are some lynda.com courses that deal just with creating your YouTube channel, creating playlists, and also using Google Hangouts. So I encourage you to check out lynda.com. So that's my technology tip for this week. Stay tuned for future technology tips by Tom.